That might be handy for if you... Hi fellas. Welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to reveal one very special secret. With this knowledge, you will be able to memorize many new English words without writing them down, even once. So yes, please like, subscribe, and we shall begin. I'd call this method movie making, and let me show you why. Let's take this word as the example. Say we don't know this word. It's okay. Good actually. Means that you can see how this method works for you. Okay, back to the word. Here is what it means. You know, the thing we take sometimes in supermarkets. Keep it in mind, because we'll need it later. Now, look at the word again. Try to pronounce it. Trolley, trolley, trolley. What does it sound like to you? Trolley, trolley, trolley. Take your time to think about it. Trolley, 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 trolley. Alright, to me, this sounds like two words that I know already. They are troll and hay. The spelling is not that important here. So once again, here is troll and here is hay. We will need them soon. They will work as the prompts in our movie. Now, the final part. Let's connect the meaning and the pronunciation of the word. Time to shoot a movie. First, I imagine a big and crowded supermarket. The actions take place near the entrance. Suddenly, I see a huge, ugly, and even terrifying troll. He rushes in. I think he might need this. So I call him. Hey! He turns around, comes close to me. His angry face turns into happy and friendly one. He takes the trolley and continues his shopping. Alright, basically this is it. Now, as we created such a movie in our head, we almost surely will not forget this word and its meaning. Well, now you know it. The secret is yours. Use it wisely. I also want to give you some tips that might help in the beginning. First, the words may sound like the words from other languages, not just English. That may be handy if you speak more than one language. Second, use special effects in your movie to make it more memorable. Those can be some unordinary clothes that people wear, or some loud noises like fireworks or crowd cheering. Up to you. And last but not least, use something in your movie that awakes strong emotions in you. That works good with such emotions as fear, anger, disgust, or surprise. I know, not so many positive ones, but that's how our brain works. Let me check if I didn't miss anything. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now, how about we try it with another word? This time we'll work with ominous. First, let's check the meaning. Giving the worrying impression that something bad is going to happen. Okay, now we know the meaning. Time to think which words it sounds similar to. Ominous. Oh man, us. Oh, how about that? Oh man, us. Yeah, I think that will do. Oh man, us. Now let's make a movie, shall we? Keep in mind that we need to use our prompts, and the movie should represent the meaning of the word. So, some of my friends and me are camping in the mountains. That's us. It's afternoon. The weather is nice and sunny. We listen to the sounds of nature. Suddenly, a strangely looking silhouette appears not so far from us. When we look closely at it, we begin to realize that the creature we look at is an ancient Yeti. He doesn't look friendly at all. Then the heavy gray clouds start covering the afternoon sky. As he comes closer, we all, just as one, think, oh man, oh man, oh man, he's coming for us. Oh man, he's gonna kill us. We all start crying and weeping. We are in panic, for we know something bad is about to happen. Well, this is the end of the movie. As you see, we connected the sounding of the word, ominous, to its meaning. What can I say? Well done here. Folks, this is it. I hope this video was useful for you. If so, please don't forget to like it. And maybe subscribe to my channel so you won't miss anything. Thank you, guys. Stay safe, take care of yourself and people around you, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.